Hello viewers, you're welcome back to the class, and welcome back to the mathematics class. So in this mathematics class, we are going to dive into the solution of this exercise E in general mathematics for senior secondary school 3, that is for SS3 class. So guys, this class also meant for WAEC, NECO, WAEC GCE, NECO GCE, JAM, UTM, post-UTME, any kind of exam you're writing in Nigeria. So this class is meant for you guys. Okay, we are going to dive into solution of this exercise at this moment. So guys, if this is the first time watching my video, do it to subscribe, like, also touch your button in case we have a brand new video like this. You definitely be the first one notified. And also, most very important, please, I want you to take 1 minute of time to share this video with a friend or family and across the social media I belong to. God bless you. I wish you more wisdom, knowledge, understanding. And in case you want me to do make a video like this in any kind of mathematics textbook you are using in your school, so go to the comment section and comment down the name of the mathematics textbook you are using in your school, so now I can provide the solution to the exercise in the textbook. Thank you guys for joining on the class. Our advice is to watch this video to the very end, so you can gain and know how you can solve a question under this matrix. It's a very simple question. So let's dive to it. Let's start from the question 1. Okay. The question says that find the following matrix products. Okay. If you hear the meaning of products, it means that we are multiplying. Now, we have the matrix 1. Here we have 2 matrices. The first matrix that is matrix A, which is giving us 2 by 2 matrix. We have as 3, 1, 2, 4, and the matrix B is 1 by 1 matrix. That is what 2, 3. Okay. Now, how do you do the multiplication of this kind of matrix? This is quite very simple. Out of all the questions we have here, to solve that is quite very simple. So let's dive. You can solve it. Okay. To solve that, according to this products matrix, it has its own rules and regulations to follow whenever you are solving the question on that product of matrix. Now, let me quickly dive into it, because in my previous video, I've explained a lot on these products of matrix. So if you want to watch the previous video, the previous class, go to the comment section and request for the link. So I will send it to you. Thank you. So let's dive into it. So to solve that is very simple. This here we have 2 columns. This is the first column and then the second column. Okay, and 2 rows. That is this first row and the second row. But for the second matrix here is only 1 row and 1 column. Okay, 1 row rather and 2 columns rather. Is what this row, this column. Okay. This column and this row, that is making 2 rows, the first row and the second row. Now, how to solve this question is very simple. This row here, this first row multiplied by this column. I get it now? This first row multiplied by this column, and also this second row multiplied by this column. So let's dive into it. We have 3 here. This 3 multiplied by this 2 here. That gives us okay, let me draw the matrix symbol. So we want to try to solve it now. This 3 multiplied by this 2, that is 2, that is 3 times 2. Plus, okay, this 2 multiplied by this 3, that is a 2 times 3. Okay, now let's add it together. So the next one we have this row here. This will also multiply by this column. That is 1 times 2. This one will give us 1 multiplied by 2 plus, and also 4 times 3. That's multiplied, that is 4 times 3. Okay, let me write it as 4 times 3. Okay, now we have done with that. So let's do the multiplication. 3 times 2, that will give us 6 plus here we have 2 times 3. That is also 6. The next one, that is 1 times 2, that will give us, let me try to make this one well, that is 2 plus, and also 4 times 3, that is 12. So let's add it together. This plus this, that will give us be equal to, that is 6 plus 6, that is 12. Okay, And here 2 times 12, that is what, 2 plus 12 is not times, it's plus, because we're adding together, that is 14. So the answer to this problem is equal to this. So question A, in all these questions, is very simple. This is solution to this problem. Now, let's dive into the solution of this question 2. The same method we did there is the same thing you use to solve the question if for all the exercises here. So let's dive into the question 2. In the question 2, in this way we have 2 by 2 matrix for matrix A. We also have 2 by 2 matrix for matrix B. This is how you solve it. It's almost the same method as this. Now, in this one, I will use this one to multiply by this. We also use this one to multiply by this. Now, let's dive into it now. It means that this row here multiplied by this column. I get now. And also this row here multiplied by this column. So let's dive for it again. We have this 4 times 3. We have, that is 4 times 3, we have 12. Okay? Plus 1 times 2, that is 2. I get now. So let's dive to this now. 3 times 3, we have also 6. I get now. Now we have 2 times here is not a made mistake here. We have 3 times 3 here, and that is 9. Sorry, this one is 9. We have 9 here. Sorry for that. And also we have 2 times 2 here, that is plus 4, that is plus 4. Okay, we have done with this one multiplied by the row here. We're done with this one multiplied by the row there. So let's go to this one, to this column here. Okay, the row here multiplied by this column. So let's dive to this column. So now we have 4 times 1, that equals, we leave a space, that is what, that is 4. I get 1 plus. Now we have 1 times 1, that is what, 1. Okay, now let's dive into the second one. Now we have done with this one, so let's use this one to multiply also. That is 3 times 1, that is given us what, as 3 plus, and also 2 times 1, that is what, that is 2. So let's do the calculation now. Here we have a 12, right? That is 12 plus 2, we have 14. Okay, 9 plus 4, that is 13. And here, this plus this, that is 4 plus 1, we have 5. 3 plus 2, that is also what, 5. So this is solution to this what problem, to this question 2. So this is solution to this question 2. Okay guys, in the next video I will dive into the solution of these question 3, question 4, question 5, question 6, and the remaining exercise. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, or turn the button in case what you are benefit like this, you definitely be the first to notify. And also, maybe you are watching up for our other channel like Facebook, like Vision, please follow us and give a like to this video and also share with a friend. Thank you. So guys, we shall meet in the next video where we dive into the solution of this question 3. If though this question 3 is the same thing as this question 2. So if though almost this question 4 is almost the same, question 5 is almost the same thing. So you can apply this method there. Okay, let's just do it like this. Let's do it like this. Give it a try. Okay, give it a try of this question 3, and also give it a try to this question 4. Also give it a try to this question 5. So let me see what you have. So after giving a try, just send your answer to this number display on the screen now. Send the answer to it on WhatsApp. So if you have any errors, so I will be able to correct you. Thank you. I'll be expecting you guys. Thank you for watching this video very end there. God bless you. Don't forget to share, like this video, and share with a friend and family. Thank you. Which I say in the next video where I will dive into the solution of this class, and also which I dive into the next class. Also, we will look at the question under this matrix from different past question. Like this from White, Neko GC, Jam past question under this matrix. Join us. I'll drop the link to my group. So in the comment section, you can see a link to our Telegram channel there, so we can communicate with us. Thank you. Bye for now. Yeah, let's go.